Hey, hey, hey. Timmy. Hola, surprise, it's me, Sassysamey or Sam here on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. For those of you guys who have been here for a while, hi, how are ya? I hope you're having an amazing day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on your notifications. So hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Today's video is going to be an Ipsy unboxing or unbagging because it's a bag. This one is the month of June. Let's open the bag. I know I am late because obviously it is July, but oh well, let's open it. Anyways, oh how cute! The bag is, ooh, I like this color. The periwinkle color. The camera's not really showing it, but it's really pretty. It's a really pretty blue color. If you guys don't know what Ipsy is, it is a monthly subscription bag where you get 4 to 5 products in here to try out. Most of the time, I want to say 1 or 2 items are full size and then the rest are like sample sizes. I've actually found a whole bunch of makeup that I love through Ipsy. I have actually found a lot of my makeup through Ipsy, so that is why I continue to keep, oh my god, I see something that I like. And also a lot of my brushes actually came from Ipsy, so there's that. My handy dandy water bottle. Stay hydrated, guys. Okay, so this month's theme is flying colors, which is super cute. It's about, oh, Pride Month. That's really cool. Okay, I get it. I see you. So let's see what's in the bag. Okay, so the first thing in here is by Laurent. This is an eyeshadow. I love the packaging. The packaging is super cute because I just love this color so much. Okay, see, I don't know if I'm ever going to use this color, but I guess it goes along with the theme. This one is green apple. It looks like green apple. Let's see. Oh, doesn't really feel creamy. Ooh, I don't know if I like that. Just the formula itself, I don't know if I like. Just watching it. It is super pigmented. I do feel like it's a little bit powdery. Maybe I'm just used to like really buttery eyeshadows or something, but I don't know. We'll think about that. It'll be good for Halloween though. Like if I were to do Halloween tutorials with this, I definitely would. The next thing is the Quevas macaroon lip balm. I love lip balm. This is what it looks like. It's clear. It kind of just looks like Vaseline. Okay, I'm gonna use my pinky because, ooh, super buttery, super moisturizing. Obviously you can't see it because it's clear, but it smells good. I'll definitely try that out because you guys know how much I love the Body Shop. What is this? Lip butter? My favorite. So maybe I'll give this a try and then see how it works out. But you never know. Alright, so the next thing that's in here is a nail polish. This one is by PS Cosmetical. And it is infused nail lacquer. Raspberry Fizz is the color. I don't know if I'm ever going to wear this because this is maybe on my toes. It's a very bright pink. This is like super bright. But I don't know if I'm gonna wear that. The next thing is Jaunty Blue. It is the Art Makeup liquid eyeliner and ultra lasting formula. Let's open it. I have been on the search for a new liquid eyeliner, so if you guys have any suggestions, leave it, comment down below, because I've been using a whole bunch of different kinds and it just, I don't know, the formula, or maybe I need something that will give me really good wing and won't dry out and won't like flake off, because they're, hold on, sorry, I'm throwing it away, but there are some that I just don't know if I like. I love felt eyeliner. Oh, okay. super liquidy, which I like because there are some liquid eyeliners that aren't liquidy. Like I have to like shake it a couple times. Like, I don't know, but I am excited to try this out because look. Ooh. Boom. I have to put it where there's no, what I'm gonna do, because obviously right here it's smeared because I put it right next to the oil, so it's gonna smear. But we're gonna let it dry and then see if it comes off. But next thing, or the very last thing that's in here, is a Luxie brush. Luxie brushes are my favorite. I use a lot of them in all of my tutorials. Like they're just my favorite brushes. Also, maybe it's the lighting or whatever, but this one's like a lot darker. This one is the Luxie 245 small shader brush, so I would imagine it'd be really good. Ooh, it'd be really good for packing on color right there. I'm excited for this. I love Luxie brushes. They're very, very soft and they're easy to work with, and I just love the ferrule. The color is freaking cute as fuck. Anyways, let's see. I do see a little bit of smudging, but it's not too bad. Like it's still there. So we'll give that a try and we'll see if it lasts throughout the day. That is basically everything that I got in my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of June. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Super quick, super easy. The only thing that I'm actually really excited about using is the eyeliner and then the lip balm, because I love lip balms and I always try to, you know, I'm thinking I want to do a makeup tutorial using this and trying to figure out a way to incorporate this in a makeup look. So if you guys have any suggestions, leave a comment down below, because I love trying out new colors and stuff and then seeing how it works, because I like my browns and my nudes, but I feel like since it's summertime, I can use a little bit more color in my life. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If you do want to follow me on all of my social media, my Instagram, Snapchat, or Twitter, all of my links will be linked down below and also on the screen. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Oh, what it is again? Oh, absolutely nothing. Because of the allergies. Don't forget to don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you could be subscribed, or don't forget to hit, wow, I don't know what I'm saying right now, so I'm just gonna take a second to kind of get my life together.